Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel 7 Pro and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the apps. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down to the special app access, and here we have to scroll down again to find the option install unknown apps. And as you can see right here, we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case to install some content. Of course, you can change it whenever you want to. Just tap on the app. So let me pick the Chrome and tap on the switcher right here. Let's go back, and as you can see, from now on the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you might put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that. And of course, it will work the same with all other apps. As I said, you can turn off the permission whenever you want to, of course. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher again. So basically that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Google Pixel 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.